Okay, exercise 2.2, polynomials class 10, question number 1, and the sum number 1. What are we supposed to do? Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. The first one is x squared minus 2x minus 8. The factors for 8 is 4 and 2. So we split the middle term, we get 4x squared, x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. We group them, take x common, x minus 4 plus 2 common, x minus 4. So we would get x minus 4 multiplied by x plus 2. Therefore, x minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus 4 and x is equal to minus 2. So these are the zeros of the equation. Now we are verifying this. X squared minus 2x minus 8. Let's take the first one. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 2, and C is equal to minus 8. Sum of zeros is equal to minus B upon A, which is equal to 4 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 2 upon 1, which is equal to 2. So this is verified. LHS is equal to right hand side. The next verification is product of zeros, C upon A. Therefore, 4 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 8 upon 1. Therefore, minus 8 is equal to minus 8. LHS is equal to RHS. So we have verified. Now the second sum, 4s square minus 4s plus 1. A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus 4, and C is equal to 1. Okay. A multiplied by C is equal to 4 into 1. The factors for 4 is 2 and 2. Now let us split the middle term, 4s square minus 2s plus 1. Group them, 2s common, 2s minus 1, and minus 1 is common, and we get 2s minus 1. So 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1, which is 2s minus 1 all square. Okay. 2s is equal to 1, and here also 2s is equal to 1. So s is equal to 1 upon 2, and the other 0 is also 1 upon 2. Now let us verify verification. 4s square minus 4s plus 1, A is equal to 4, B is equal to minus 4, C is equal to 1. Sum of the zeros is equal to minus B upon A. Therefore, it is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 4 minus 4 upon 4, which is equal to plus 1. Okay, LCM, we have to take LCM, 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, which is equal to 2 upon 2. right? 2 upon 2 is 1, and this is plus 4 upon 4 is also equal to 1. So this is verified. We have now verify the product of zeros. Okay. Now the product of zeros. Product of zeros is C upon A. 1 upon 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2, because these are the zeros. 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 4. And C upon A is also equal to 1 upon 4. Now let's do the third sum. Is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Now we have to arrange this in the form 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Okay, we have to rearrange. We have rearranged already in the standard form of a quadratic equation. A is equal to 6, B is equal to minus 7, and C is equal to minus 3. A multiplied by C for finding the factors. 6 into 3 is 18. 9 and 2 are two factors. 9 minus 2, we will get 7. There are other factors also, 6 and 3, but 9 and 2 are the factors that we want. Now, we are splitting the middle term, 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. 3x common, 2x minus 3 plus 1 into 2x minus 3. So we'll get two factors, 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3. Now we are finding the zeros. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, and 3x is equal to minus 1, and 2x is equal to 3. So x is equal to minus 1 upon 3, and x is equal to 3 upon 2. So these are the two zeros, minus 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 2. Now let's verify. So this is the way you have to write the sums to get full marks on the sums. Sum of the zeros is minus b upon a. Sum of the zeros is minus 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 2, which is sum of zeros. We already got the zeros. Is minus 7 upon 6, which is equal to plus 7 upon 6. Let us take the LCM. LCM is 6. So 3 into 2 and minus 1 upon 2. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, plus 3 into 3 is 9. So that will become 2 plus minus 2 plus 9. So that will become plus 7. Okay, so LHS is equal to RHS. Now we are verifying the product of the zeros. C upon A is the product of zeros. That remember, sum of the zeros is minus B upon A, product of the zeros is C upon A. So minus 1 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 2 is minus 1 upon 2. And C upon C is minus 1 and A is 2. So that is that. Okay. Now let's take the fourth sum. Fourth sum is slightly easy. Let us see, write down the sum. 4u square plus 8u. Now we don't have a constant here. We don't have C. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 8, and C is equal to 0. So that will be 4u into u plus 2. That will be the factors. 4u is equal to 0, so u is also equal to 0. We'll come to know that. And u plus 2 is equal to 0, so u is equal to minus 2. U is minus 2. These are the two zeros, 0 and minus 2. Verification of the relationship alpha plus beta, that is sum of the zeros is equal to minus b upon a. Sum of the zeros is 0 plus minus 2, which is equal to minus b is minus 8. Minus 8 upon 4. Okay, so the answer will be minus 2 is equal to minus 2. And we get left hand side is equal to right hand side. Verified. Now let's verify sum of the zeros is verified. Now we verify product of zeros. Product of zeros, 0 multiplied by minus 2 is 0. Okay, anything multiplied by 0 is 0. C is also 0. So 0 into minus 2 is equal to 0 upon 4, which is right. 0 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. So LHS is equal to right hand side. So both are verified. The fifth sum now, t square minus 15. Now we don't have b here. Okay, we are taking different types of. So we take b as 0. B as 0. C is equal to minus 15. A is equal to 1. T square minus 15 is equal to 0. So t square is equal to 15. So t is equal to root of 15 plus or minus root of 15. Plus or minus, remember, because minus root 15 into minus root 15 is also 15. Now let us verify sum of the zeros. Minus b upon a. Remember that plus root 15 plus minus root 15 is 0. Minus b is 0 upon 1 plus root 15 plus minus root 15 is 0. 0 is equal to 0. This is verified. Sum of the zeros is verified. LHS is equal to RHS. Now, let's do the product of zeros. Product of zeros is equal to C upon A. Always remember this. This is the formula. Root 15 multiplied by minus root 15 is equal to minus 15 upon 1. And C is equal to minus 15. We already know. So minus 15 all square is equal to minus 15 is equal to minus 15. So this is verified. Okay, LHS is large. This is the way you have to write down. Now let us do the last sum of the question 1. 3x square minus x minus 4. A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to minus 4. A multiplied by C is equal to 3 multiplied by minus 4. We have to find the factors. So 3 into 4 is 12. And the factors that we get should be 3 and 4, right? And grouping this, we take out 3x from this and we get x plus 1. And we take out 4 from minus 4 from this and we get x plus 1. So the two factors are 3x minus 4 and x plus 1. So 3x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 4 upon 3 and x is equal to minus 1. Verification. Sum of the zeros is equal to minus b upon a, and sum of zeros is 4 upon 3 plus minus 1 is equal to minus 1 upon 3, that is b upon a. Therefore, LCM is 3, so we'll get 4 minus 3 upon 3 is equal to minus 1 upon 3, which is plus 1 upon 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. So LHS is equal to right hand side. We are verified. Now let's verify the product of the zeros, which is C upon A. Always remember this is a formula. 4 upon 3 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to C is minus 4, A is 3. So minus 4 upon 3 is equal to minus 4 upon 3. This is verified. Okay. So these are the different sums. We have other sums also.